Hey everybody, this is your boy Oscar DeBoo here with Universal Marketing, straight out of Ranch Cucamonga today. Just wanted to go ahead and post a quick video, show you guys some of the new pallets that we have coming in. First off, before anything, want to let you guys know we're so thankful for all of our supporters, all our family, friends that are posting our videos, reposting our ads, basically showing all the new product and basic information of what we do. So, just to give a quick summary of what pallets are, pallet liquidations are companies, liquidation companies, or big retailers like Walmart, Amazon, Home Depot, companies that basically have either overstock items or some returns. We're lucky that we haven't got a lot of returns in mostly overstock items, but that's because our suppliers are excellent. We break them down and we sell individual items. As you can tell, these are all boxes of items that you could resell, items that you could gift, but we are super excited for the new electronic pallets that we have. So that's what I want to show you guys today. Remember, pallet liquidation is basically overstock items or returns where you could buy a bulk pallet, basically a bulk of 30 to 50 items plus, and you could either break them down, you find some great treasures, which I'm going to show you some of the beautiful items that we got, some of the things that I've always wanted as a kid. So, and then also you could go ahead and resell them or either go ahead and gift it to people during the holidays. So one of the reasons why we got into the electronics department is because it's the holiday seasons. Great time to either, once again, gift or resell. So let's get started. First thing that I wanted to show you guys that I was really excited about was this electronic skateboard. So this electronic skateboard is something that I've always wanted. Yeah, I could go ahead and sell it. It's worth $300-400 and I'll make already my money back on these pallets with just 2 items that you get. Item is full blown. So this item I'm really excited about. Another item that was really cool that we got from these pallets is a power generator. So just give me 1 second, guys. This power generator right here, it's extremely heavy. Got this item just full-blown power generator that has different types of connections that you could use. It's gas powered. It's definitely worth, a generator like this is going to be worth easily anywhere from $600 plus with all the connectivity and all the stuff that's in it. So if you guys want to look close, just to let you know the quality of this item, it's a pulsar. I don't know, I'm not really familiar with these types, but if you look at this item here, some of the stuff that's on it is just incredible. So you got your connections, you can do different things with it, and of course generate, whether it's a party or, go ahead and take a look at some of these items. Like I got a, for you ladies, I'm not trying to sell you on anything, but bzz, you know what that is. Got a couple of those. We got also items that, just tons of items. I was blown away on all the things that we're getting with these pallets. Just an amazing array of stuff. And remember, all these overstock items are just items that you could either keep or just gift to people. So once again, all of the items, for the most part, they are working items. Great items for the holiday seasons. So just wanted to do a quick video, show you guys exactly what we got, and to do, to show you some of the general merchandise pallets that we have, which is usually what we started off with, is general merchandise. I recently went ahead and got this bad boy. It's a mountain bike. It's worth $395. So I would sell this online for a good $200, and I could sell it for $300 really, because it's brand new. But just to be cool and get it out of the door with no haggle or hassle, I'll probably sell it for like a good, $275. Being that it's brand new, and I show all our clients, as long as you're posting the right way and reposting things the right way, these puppies will sell. People are always looking for a discount. And would you tell me that you wouldn't take $100 off of a bike, whether it was a general bike or for a kid or somebody that you knew that needed a bike? Take $100 off of it instead of going to the store, Walmart, Target, online, and Amazon, pay the full price plus tax. You wouldn't take it for $100 off, and it's brand spanking new? I would. So that's what we get on these items, on these pallets. These items just exceptionally well. They do really well. A lot of our customers are doing great with selling them. So if you have any questions on liquidation, pallet liquidation, anything that has to do with reselling, please go ahead and either direct message us, DM us, go ahead and hit us up on Instagram, Facebook. We're here for you guys. We want you guys to get interested in the pallets like our other customers are. For anybody that doesn't know, don't feel afraid to ask. Honestly, the type of items that you're getting in all these pallets right here, these electronic items, are just ridiculous. Last night, a shout out to my boy David, my cousin David, CEO of Universal Marketing. This guy is just putting in work. I'll post a video of him hustling and making, with the forklift and doing his thing. But come check us out. We love you guys. Have a good rest of the evening. Have a good weekend. And we will see you guys soon.